Hi friends, example 2.33. Find fourth roots of unity. So what do you mean by fourth roots of unity? It is nothing but x equal to 1 power 1 by 4. Or we can write x power 4 equal to 1. Okay. This is called fourth root of unity. Unity means 1. So what is the fourth root of unity? Find fourth roots of unity. So you can say that, sir, this is x value 1. So x power 4 is 1 means x equal to fourth root of 1. That is x value 1. By seeing itself, you can tell x value is 1. Okay. How many values are there? Is it only 1 and only the value? No. When you have x power 4, when you have x power 4, you have 4 values. You must have 4 values, but only 1 values you have find out. What about all the remaining 3 values? How to find all the remaining 3 values? For that, you have to use complex number system. So now this 1 can be replaced. With the complex formula. What is your complex formula? Polar format of complex or cos theta plus I sin theta. This is your formula. If you want 1, then cos 0 degree is 1. So if you put 1, if you want 1, R value is 1. So cos 0 degree plus I sin 0 degree. So these are the values. Cos 0 is 1. So now 1 can be replaced with cos 0 degree plus I sin 0 degree power 1 by 4. Now, when you have a power in fraction, De Morgan's law we can apply. So what is your De Morgan's law? How to apply the De Morgan's law? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power. If you have a fraction power 1 by p like that, if you have fraction power, then before applying De Morgan's formula, you have to add 2k pi. Then only you can bring the power down. So 2k pi you have to add. Then we can take the powers. So like that, now this is what cos 2k pi. Add 2k pi with theta. Theta plus 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi plus theta or theta plus 2k pi. Add 2k pi. Okay. Then bring the power to the p. Bring the power to the angle. This is your De Morgan's formula. So you have to add 2k pi. So cos 0 plus 2k pi. Okay, it's 2k pi only. 0 plus 2k pi plus I sin 0 plus 2k pi and bring the power 1 by 4 to that denominator by 4 by 4. And what about the k values? K value lies between 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the 4 values. So that you can get 4 values. I said already 1 to the power of 1 4. 1 fourth means we can put k value 0, 1, 2, 3. So that you can get 4 values. Understand? Now let's try values. Cos, can cancel 0 plus means 2k pi, cancel with the 2. So it is only k pi by 2 plus I sin k pi by 2. Okay, now put the value 0, 1, 2, 3 so that you can get all the 4 values. First we can get x1. There are 4 values I said. First take x1. Put 1 here for k1, which is nothing but cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So cos 90 is 0 degree, sin 90 is 1. So 0 plus I, the value is I. Take x2. For x2, put k value 1. First k value is 0 and k value 1. I'm sorry, for x2. Okay. x1 is putting, it is very easy to find. What is x1? Put the k value 0. When you put k value 0, cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0. So cos 0 is 1 plus 0. So 1 is the value. First value is 1, second value is I. Third value, put 3. Where you have k, there you put 3. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. Okay, for 270 degree, it is pi plus pi by 2. When you talk about pi plus pi by 2, that is in the 270 degree. For 270 degree, no, it's a third quadrant, correct? Third quadrant. So both minus. For cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is minus 1. So we can write this is 0 minus I. So answer is minus I. Do you understand? 270 degree. Cos 270 is 0, sin 270 is minus 1. Next you take x4. Then you put 3. When you put 3, 3 2s are 3 pi by, oh, I missed here. First you have to put 2 values. When you put 2 values x3. For x3 you put 2 here. When you put 2 here, 2 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2. So 2 get cancelled, cos pi plus I sin pi. So for cos pi we will get what? Cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. So it is minus 1. When you take cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2 for 270 degree. Here 0 minus I. So what are the cube root of identities? Cube root of identities or fourth root of unities. The fourth root of fourth roots of unity are 1, minus 1, I, minus I. These are the values fourth root of unity. Understand, dear students?